Let's learn how to download Telegram as app on your PC. First step first, make sure that everything is working properly and that you are connected to the internet. Next step is to open the browser of your choice. In this case, I will use Opera GX. Now, you need to type in Telegram PC download. Wait for it to load and choose the first option. After that, click on Get Telegram, but first check your bitrate. If you have 64, choose 64. Wait for it to download. It should take a few seconds if you have good internet connection. Next step is to open the setup and choose our language. In this case, I will choose English, and next, just accept all the things it demands. Choose where you would like to download your Telegram and wait for it to download. I will not proceed with downloading because I already got it installed, but in the end, it should work and look like this. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.